How to find Clipboard on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Clipboard on your Android phone, where there's a history stored of all the text that was copied. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, simply open the keyboard so that you can see the keyboard like this. And to access the Clipboard, it's actually really easy. If you don't see a Clipboard icon in this little menu at the top, select that little 4 dots right there. And then below, you'll see Clipboard. You can select that. And if your clipboard is not turned on, then it's not going to be saving a history. So if it says turn on clipboard, or you notice this little switch is all the way to the left, go ahead and toggle that on. And then now, anytime you copy anything, it'll show up in the clipboard. So now you can scroll through, you'll see a full history of anything in the clipboard. If you want to paste any of these items, just select it, and it'll paste it, as you can see, and then I can send it. So if I copy this text, and then I go to my clipboard, it's going to show up as one of the most recent items that was copied and added to my clipboard. Now, if you want to remove anything from the clipboard, select the little pencil, then select the item you want to remove and select the delete button, and then that will be permanently deleted from the clipboard on your Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.